Good afternoon, everybody. Mike with Enviroscape LA. And so this is our last water feature project of 2019. It's the last day of the year. And so we installed what's called a quintet with a OASE, and there's actually 5 little spitters there. We put it inside of this waterproofed container, and we put an autofill right there, and so that way I don't have to drag the hose over here. It'll just fill up every time the sprinklers go on. It'll just fill up to a predetermined point and then be done. Now the interesting thing about this is, so it's plug and play, but the interesting thing is here's the little, like a little keychain thing. And so when I press this, check out what happens. Now this has lights and everything built into it. So when I press it, boom, it goes off. Press it again, and it goes on. Now watch, they're small, and then I press it again, and they're really tall. And I press it again, and then I have different varying heights. And then right there, it's just a little spitter. Every one just kind of spits out every so often. And then I have full, and then I press it again, and the spitter. So it has different programs just by spitting, there we go. So I'm pressing it, and each time I press it, it has a different program. So we're gonna go back to the tall, and then we'll go back to spitter, and then we'll go back to the, there we go. The full show. Anyway, Bellagio in a box. And this is the front yard, because obviously here's the sidewalk here. So if you want to check out Bellagio in a box, it's here, front yard, Redondo Beach. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability and whimsical fountains, think Enviroscape LA.